going to read this 93C86 with the original Carprog and the better A4 adapter. And we're just going to use the clip here. Let's see. So I have it hooked in. There we go. So I'm just going to verify it. And verify OK.